Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 5 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, and many more courses. If you need help in any assignment, any exam, or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate. You can see this title of assignment and you can see project description to get idea about your project. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Now question 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate. Access Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this file. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your portal, Pearson portal. Sales subtotal and sales data is my worksheet name. Then we will move next question. Okay, now moving on question number 2. I have done first question. Moving on question number 2 is that you are about ready to subtotal the data. First we will sort the data. Sort the list by city in alphabetical order, then by selling agent in alphabetical order, and finally by listing data chronological orders oldest to newest. Basically in this question we will sort the data. First we will sort the city list by city in alphabetical order, then we will sort the selling agent in alphabetical order, and then we will finally by listing date in order to oldest to newest. Okay, first we will move Excel workbook and then we will sort this data list. Okay, city in alphabetical order, sort the list by city in alphabetical order. Moving on Excel workbook. Now we will click on city, go to the sort and filter, click on custom sort. Okay, first we will go to the home tab, then we will click on sort and filter. Okay, then we will click on custom sort, then we will add level. First level is that city in alphabetical order. Okay, then we will add selling agent in alphabetical order. We will add second level is that selling agent. Okay, click on add level, select selling agent is also alphabetical order. Then we will finally the listing date is oldest to newest. We will add third level is listing date. Okay, add level listing date is oldest to newest. Okay, then click on OK. Data will be sorted in this table. This is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this for you with A+ grade. Now moving on question number 3. You want to display subtotal for 3 columns to analyze the average. Use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market by city. Ensure that summary below data is selected and then click or select OK. Okay, basically in this question we will use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and then we will days on market by city. Okay, and ensure that summary below data is selected and then click or select OK. We will move on Excel workbook and then click on data and then click on, and then we will use subtotal feature. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade and very reasonable price. Okay, I will do this complete course for you. Use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market by city. Moving an Excel workbook, then click on data tab, then click on subtotal feature. Okay, calculate the average. First we will average, use function is average, use function is average, and then we click on days on market, and then selling price, then press OK. OK, and show the summary below data selected, then click OK. Percentage of asking price, then click on OK. Sorry, first is that city. At each change in city, then press OK. This is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 4 is that next you will apply an outline so that you can collapse and expand columns. Group the data using the outline. Auto outline feature. Collapse the outline to hide the listing date and sales data columns. Click or select the outline symbol to display the grand average and city average rows only. Okay, basically in this question we will group the data using auto outline feature. Then we will collapse the outline to hide the listing date and sales date column will be hide using collapse outline. Okay, then we will click or select the auto outline symbol to display grand average and city average rows only. I am doing this assignment very slow because my art student will be understand very well. Okay, please follow my video. You got A plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will handle your complete course with very reasonable price. Contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, group the data using the auto outline feature. Moving on Excel workbook. Okay, click on groups, click on auto outline, modify existing outline, press OK. Click on OK. And then collapse the outline to hide the listing date and sales data columns. Okay, collapse the outline, hide the listing date and sales data column. We will collapse this. Okay, and then listing date and sales data column will be hide. Then click or select the auto outline symbol to display grand average and city average rows only. Okay, city date and days on market. Okay, asking price. You can see this. I am doing this assignment very slow because my art student will be understand very well. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. In question number 5, you can see this on my instruction file. Now you are ready to format the data and set a print area to print only a select portion of worksheet. Format the average days on market as number with 0 decimal place. Apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Set a print area for the range J1, range C1 to J88. Basically in this question we will format the average days on market as number format with 0 decimal places, and then we will apply wrap text on these ranges on the cells. Okay, first we will collect on cell G1. Okay, and then we will apply wrap text, and then we will select cell J1, and then we will apply wrap text on this cell J1, and then we will set the print area. First we will select this range, and then we will set a print area on this range. Okay, you can contact me for your any course. I will available 24 hours. Format the average days on market as number format with 0 decimal place. Moving on Excel workbook, click on average days on market, then click on home tab, then go to the number group and then select. Okay, click on number and then 0 decimal places. Click on number. Okay, you can see here. First then 0 decimal places. First we select numbers and then apply 0 decimal places on this number. Okay, then apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Moving on Excel workbook, then we will select cell G1, go to the home tab, click on wrap text, click on cell J1 and then click on wrap text. It will be apply wrap text on these two cells. Then set a print area for the range C1 to J88. Moving on Excel workbook, then we will select this range first, C1 to J88. Okay, we will select this range and then click on page layout, then click on page layout, click on, sorry, this is not, we will click on print area. Okay, close this, this is not, okay, click on print area, then set print area. This is done now. I have done 5 question of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6 you will see on my instruction file, select individually column G and J and charge, change the columns width to 10 and change the row height to 24 for the first row. Basically in this question we will select G and column J, and then we will change the column width to 10 and then we will change the row height to 24 for the first row. Basically in this question, first we will select column G and J, individually column G and J, and then we will change the data of column width to 10. Okay, then we will change the row height to 24. First we will select this, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will follow this. Click on cell G, right click on this, click on column width, apply 10, tap 10 data, right click on column J, and we will change this data height 10, then press OK. Okay, then we will change the row height to 24 for the first row. We will select first row and then we will change the row height of first row to 24. Right click on this row first, row height will be 24, then press OK, row height will be changed. Now moving on question number 7, I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 7, question number 7 is that pivot table help you analyze different perspectives of data. You will create a pivot table using the sales data worksheet. Click or display the sales data worksheet and create a blank pivot table on new worksheet. Name the new worksheet pivot table. Name the pivot table average city price. Okay, basically in this question we will first we will switch this sales data worksheet and then we will create a blank pivot table. Go to the create tab, insert tab, and then we will create a blank pivot table. Click or display the sales worksheet and create a blank pivot table. Click on insert tab. Okay, click on insert tab, click on pivot table, then press OK. Pivot table will be created, and then name the new worksheet is pivot table. You can copy this name pivot table and right click on this sheet and we will change this name of sheet is pivot table. Right click on sheet 1, rename as pivot table. Okay, you can tap here pivot table. Okay, then name the pivot table average city price. You can copy this name and then we will name the pivot table will be changed pivot. Click on pivot table name, we will tap here average city price. Average city price. Okay, then press enter. Name of pivot table will be changed average city price. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. You can see this, I have done 7 questions. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this for you with A+ grade. Question number 8 is that part of the process arranging and rearranging fields to provide the perspective to represent the data best. In addition, you want to display average values instead of total value. Place the city field in row, the selling agent field in column, and the asking price and selling price field as value. For the two values field, display average rather than sum with the counting number format with 0 decimal place. Pivot the data by placing the city field below the value field in the columns area and moving the selling agent field to the row area. Okay, you can see this. Place the city field in row area, then selling agent field in the columns, and then asking price and selling price field as value. We will place all field. You can read this instruction and we will follow on our pivot table. For the two values field, display range rather than sum with accounting number format. Okay, you can see this. Then we will move on Excel workbook and then we will apply this. Place the city field in row, then selling agent field in column, and then asking price and selling price field as value. Moving on Excel workbook, first we city field in row, then selling agent field in column, and then asking and selling price field as value. Selling agent field in column, selling agent field in column, asking price and selling price in value. Asking price and selling price in value, and also selling price in value. Okay, this is good now. For two values, field display average rather than sum with the counting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay, for two values. Okay, sum of asking price, click on value field setting, then click on number format, click on average first, and then click on number format with, okay, select a counting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay, then click on OK. For second field, sum of selling price, okay, press OK again. Sum of selling price, click on value field setting, then click on select average, then click on number of format, select a counting number format with 0 decimal places here, then click on OK. This is done now, then again click on OK. Okay, this question is completely done. Pivot the data by placing in the city field below the value field in the columns area and moving the selling agent field to the row area. Okay, we will placing this city field to the column area, city field below the values field, below the value field and the column area. Okay, then moving, okay, selling agent to the row area. This is done now. You can see this. I have done this question complete right now. Now moving on question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Okay, now we will move on question number 9. Now you want to focus on the real estate data for only 2 cities. Add a filter to cell B3 to display only Alpine and Cedar Hills. Okay, basically in this question we will add a filter on cell B3 to display only Alpine and Cedar Hills. You can contact me for your complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Moving on Excel workbook, then we will click on cell B3 and then we will add a filter on cell B3 and then we will display only Alpine and Cedar Hills. Okay, click on cell B3, right click on cell B3, okay, add filter, select all, then show only Alpine and Cedar Hills, then click on OK. Display Cedar Hills and Alpine only, then click on OK. This is done now. You can see here I have done 9 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will move on question number 10. In question number 10, you go to sales data worksheet. You realize that selling price is incorrect. Change the selling price for number 40 from $140,000 to $140 lakh. Refresh the pivot table. Basically in this question we will click on number 40 in selling price. Okay, we will change the selling price for number 40. Okay, change the value 140,000 to $140 and then we will refresh the pivot table. Moving on Excel workbook. If you do not ever do this assignment, please contact me on WhatsApp and email. I will do this for you. Click on sales total, sale data worksheet and then click on number 40. Where is number 40? You can see here number 40 is okay here, and we will change this value 140,000 to $140 lakh. You can copy this value and you will paste here or you can tap here 140 lakh. Okay, then we will refresh the pivot table. Okay, then press enter. It will be change value in here, then we will press enter. Okay, this is done. Now we will move on question number 11. I have done 10 questions of this assignment right now. Okay, first we will refresh the pivot table, then we will refresh the pivot table, click on pivot table analyze and then we will refresh all, then click on refresh all. This is done now. Now we will move on question 11. I have done 10 question of this assignment. Question 11 is that, okay, you want to format the pivot table, change the width of column A, B, C, D and E to 11, change the width of column F to 14 and then width of column G to 13.14. Wrap text and center horizontally data and cells B4, D4, F4 and G4. Apply the bottom border to the range B4 to E4. Change the labels in cell A5 to agent. Okay, then change the height of row 4 to 40. Okay, basically in this question we will change the width of column A, B, C and A, B, C, D and D to 11. Okay, and then we will change the width of column F to 14 and then width of column G to 13.14. Okay, then we will wrap text and center horizontally data and cell B4, D4, F4 and G4. Apply the bottom border to the range B4 to E4. Change the labels in cell A5 to agent. Change the height of row 4 to 40. First we will see this. Change the width of column A, B, C, D, E to 11. Right click on column A, click on column width. We will change this data in column A 11, then click on OK. Okay, right click on column B, click on column width. We will change this data 11, then click on OK. Okay, right click on column C, then click on column width and change on data in column C 11, then click on OK. Right click on column D, click on column width and change data 11, then press OK. Right click on column E and click on column width and then change data 11, then press OK. This is done now. Now next step is that change the width of column F to 14 and width of column G to 13.14. You can see this data, column F and column G. Column F data is 14 and column G width data is 13.14. Moving on Excel workbook. Click on column F, right click on this, click on column width and then select 14, press OK. Column F width will be changed. Right click on column G and then we will change column height of column G to 13.14. Right click on column G, click on column width. 13.14 is width of this column, then press OK. Column width will be changed in this column G. Okay, this is done now. Now wrap text and center horizontally in cell B4, D4, F4 and G4. Okay, click on cell B4, go to the home tab and click on wrap text. Okay, B4 and click on cell C4, D4 and click on wrap text and center horizontally, click on wrap text and center horizontally, F4 and click on cell G4, click on wrap text and center horizontally. This is done now. Okay, now next question is that next step is that apply the bottom borders to the range B4 to select first this range and then go to the borders in home tab and then we will select bottom border. First we will select this range and then go to the home tab and then select bottom border on this range. Okay, change the label in cell A5 to agent. You can copy this agent and moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell A5 and then we will change this label agent. Okay, this is done now. Now change the height of row 4 to 40. Right click on row 40, row 4, click on row height and change this row 40, then press OK. Okay, you can see this. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with very reasonable prices and with A+ grade. I am also handling many students course from USA, Canada and many more countries. I can do all courses on Cengage, Pearson, Blackboard and many more websites and college universities. Please contact me for your A+ grade. I will do this complete course for you. I am also handling many online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, writing, economics and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video to my all students. Best of luck. Thank you so much.